Now in prime time, from the Bay Area's local news station, you're watching KRON4 News at 8.
Coming up, Jeopardy host Alex Trebek announced he's making big improvements with his cancer treatment. We have a doctor joining us live in studio to talk about how rare it is to beat the odds when it comes to stage 4 pancreatic cancer.
With the love and support of my family and friends, and with the help of your prayers also, I plan to beat the low survival rate statistics for this disease.
That was the statement Alex Trebek made back in March when he was diagnosed with stage 4 pancreatic cancer. Now, the Jeopardy show host says that he has made mind-boggling improvements during his treatments. The 78-year-old revealed in People magazine some of his tumors have shrunk by more than 50%.
That is incredible. According to doctors, he has been responding well to chemotherapy and is near remission. Trebek said he got emotional at the news that he could be beating the odds. He said he had felt weak and depressed on occasion since beginning chemo, but credits his progress to support from his fans and friends.
All right, to talk about this astonishing news today is Dr. Joe Poen, who is an oncologist with Marin General Hospital. Thank you for being here.
My
I think
pleasure.
Everybody felt excited about this news for this man that so many people care about, but just the fact that he had such a serious diagnosis. Are you surprised?
Well, it's certainly wonderful news to go from that terrible diagnosis to a near complete remission. And it's wonderful news. I don't think all of the hurdles are behind him, but this is certainly a good start.
Yeah. Talk about the, he said it's, the death-defying. I mean, a lot of people, when they get this news, stage 4 pancreatic cancer, it's a death sentence. What are the odds that you survive it, and how do you think he's beating the odds?
Well, we hate to say zero. We hate to say the odds are zero, but let's just say they're as close to zero as it can be. The goal of treatment here is not really expected to be a cure, but it's expected to get his cancer into a near remission if possible. And then hopefully that remission will last not just months, but perhaps in some cases that remission can last years. And as we tell a lot of patients with this, very grim initial diagnosis and prognosis, the hope is, and we always try to have hope, that a remission will be durable and that we will then have time to find a better treatment.
So what do you, for people who have this diagnosis or even other cancers, he talks so much about how his spirits were buoyed by all of his fans and the love and support. A lot of people think that can also be a tipping point for a lot of people when they're going through difficult challenges like this. Do you agree?
Yeah, there is scientific evidence that support system is important in cancer treatment and successful cancer treatment. So it certainly may be contributing to his success.
Well, we all don't have a national TV audience that's rooting for us when we get sick. So in other people's cases, when they're facing cancer, is there anything besides that has been done with Alex Trebek that other people might benefit from?
I don't know. I mean, obviously he's got millions of fans, which most of us don't.
Well, you haven't heard about any unique treatments that he's undergone that anybody else wouldn't have been able to get?
It's almost, I would say it's almost certain that he is receiving the standard treatment for advanced pancreas cancer, which is for somebody who's in good shape, and he certainly looks to be in very good shape for a gentleman of his age. The standard treatment would be a 3-drug chemotherapy cocktail. It's not easy treatment. There are a lot of side effects, but it's that treatment that has about a 30 to 35% chance of getting you into remission. We'll use that word remission, which is when cancer becomes either markedly reduced or undetectable. And again, then the hope is that remission can be durable and last for quite a long time.
Well, let's hope his diagnosis and prognosis and whatever's happening with him will turn out to be an issue that will help others as well. So.
And real quick before you go, what's the best way to do an early check because early diagnosis is key, right? So is there anything people should know to make sure that they are not getting cancer?
Yeah, we have screening for many types of common cancer: breast cancer, prostate cancer, colon cancer. All of those screenings have been shown to reduce mortality from those types of cancers. Unfortunately, we don't have a cost-effective screening for pancreatic cancer, and we don't have a high-risk population that we would be screening either. The vast majority of pancreatic cancers are sporadic, meaning you have no predisposition to it. It comes out of the blue. So we don't have a population to screen. We don't have a cost-effective screen, and so we don't do screening for this type of cancer.
All right, Dr. Poen, thank you for your analysis of what's happening with Mr. Trebek, and we wish him well.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
All right.